Hey everyone, how are you doing? Big welcome to another video, and I wish you all a very happy new year. So in this video, I will be showing to you a cool opening trap which arises in the Sicilian Defense in the Dragon variation. The Sicilian Defense has many variations. Today, I will be showing only an opening trap from the Dragon. So I will be sharing my screen without any further ado, and I will be getting right into it. So after 1e4, which is best by test according to Robert James Fisher, c5 is the Sicilian. The knight f3, we're going for the open Sicilian with 2d6. And after the move g6, this is the move which defines the Dragon. The other two main moves in this position are the Najdorf with a6 and the classical Sicilian with knight c6. But today we're sticking only to the Dragon. Here, White's best way to fight for an advantage is to go bishop e3, intending to continue with f3, queen d2, and the famous English attack. So why is knight g4 here a very bad move, and why does everyone go bishop g7? Because many people go bishop g7, but they might not know why knight g4 is a bad move. And also many white players routinely go f3. So here, if you're playing a bullet game or a blitz game, you shouldn't pre-move f3, because what if they go knight g4? You would end up losing a piece, right? If you go f3, they will take on e3, right? So you should not pre-move, of course, and you should know how to punish the move knight g4. The best way to punish it is the move bishop b5 check, which creates a losing position for black and a winning position for white. Of course, knight d7 will take on g4 with the queen. Queen d7 will take the queen. Bishop d7. Now you should notice that we can take on g4 because the black bishop cannot take on g4 our queen because it is pinned from the bishop on b5. And if they take here, we have a very pleasant choice with which knight we will recapture. Lastly, if they play knight c6, this is also close to losing move because we can take on c6 with the knight, and we've gained material because here they can take like this, but we can take here. And now after bishop d7, for instance, we can take on a8 and we've won an exchange. So actually, yeah, we've won an exchange. Yeah, I mean, the queen can take, but it's an extra exchange for white. And now we can even save our bishop by going somewhere, moving the bishop somewhere. So this is a complete, the pawn on e4 is also defended by the knight on c3. So this is a completely winning position for white. And this is useful both if you're on the white side to know how to punish knight g4, and also if you're black to know why you don't play knight g4, because many times in openings we just memorize moves. That's a mistake I've done myself, first of all, and we don't know why we are making those moves. So knight g4 is a typical idea in the Najdorf. It was popularized by Kasparov in the 1990s. He played many times, for example, against Vishy Anand and others. This is a very decent move for black. And also after knight c6, it is well known that if you want to go for an English attack, you should go for f3. You should not go for bishop e3, because after bishop e3, there is the move knight g4, and now it's already in black's favor. It's something that white wants to avoid in this position. So if you are a Dragon player, and if you are a 1e4 player, and if in general you want to improve your chess, or if you fit in both categories, like you play 1e4 with white and you play the Dragon with black, this video should be useful to you because it teaches you something that many people do not teach, which is why some moves are played, because they just tell you this is the move that is the theory, but many times you don't know why that move is the theory, and many times a move is theory for a good reason. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you took value from it. Now, if you are a competitive chess player and want to fund your chess progress, which includes traveling to tournaments, which has expenses like transport if in another city, or a visa perhaps if it's in another country where a visa is a requirement, accommodation if it's not a one-day event, and entry fees which you will have to pay unless you're a titled player, hiring a coach which can fast track your progress, and also investing into chess books and also chess courses, for example on Chessable. Also, if you want to invest in a premium membership on websites like chess.com and chess24, where there is a monthly fee, then you might be interested in starting a side hustle to earn an income online, which can be done along your 9-to-5 job. If that's the case, go to the link in the description, insert your name and email, and watch my free introductory training where you will learn the 3 secrets my mentors use to generate a consistent income online and how you can do it too, even if you have no previous experience, qualifications, or no product to sell. If you're a subscriber, I will catch you at the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.